Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will teach you about English grammar, class 2, unit number 12, adjectives, and it's on page number 32. Now open your books, page number 32. Here you have given unit number 12, adjectives. Adjectives tell us more about nouns, someone, or something. Adjectives are describing words. Basically, adjectives describes nouns. And what is a noun? Noun is the name of person, place, or a thing. So, adjective describes nouns. Remember, colors are also known as adjectives. An adjective usually comes before a noun. For example, John lives in a new house. House is a noun, but new is an adjective. She tells an exciting story. Story is a noun, but exciting is an adjective. I met a handsome man. Man is a noun and handsome is an adjective. Okay, now move on the next slide. Here you can look angry woman, long snake, and unhappy girl. Woman, snake, and girl, these are all nouns. But angry, long, unhappy, these are all adjectives. Remember, adjectives usually comes before a noun. So, angry woman, angry is an adjective and woman is a noun. Long snake, long is an adjective and snake is a noun. Unhappy girl, unhappy is an adjective but girl is a noun. Colors are also adjectives. For example, like green color, green snake. Green is an adjective and snake is a noun. Okay, look at your book, page number 32. Here we have given, let us understand. Match the word from the list with each of the nouns. Write the pairs in your notebook. Okay, the words we have already given: yellow, black, green. Yellow, black, green, these are all adjectives. And grass, banana, coal, these are noun. So, match the words from the list with each of the nouns. Yellow. Which one is yellow? Yes, yellow. Banana. Black. Coal. And the last one is green. Grass. Okay, now move on page number 33. Here you have given exercise A and the exercise A is read the sentences, write them in your notebook, complete them with a color word of your own choice. It's on up to you. Now tell me, the first one is, the fruit seller has nice dash strawberries. What's the color of strawberries? Yes, obviously. The fruit seller had nice red strawberries, ripe yellow mangoes, ripe dash mangoes, yellow mangoes. Ripe हम बोलते हैं पके हुए को, ठीक है. Ripe yellow mangoes, juicy dash apples. Obviously juicy होगा तो फिर कैसा होगा? Red apples. The second one is, the garden was blooming with dash roses. Red roses. You can write here about your own choice. You can write here like white roses, like pink roses. I write here red. The garden was blooming with red roses, dash lilies, obviously purple lilies, and dash dahlia flowers, white. The third one is, my favorite colors are dash dash and dash. आपने यहाँ पे अपने फेवरेट कलर्स का बताना है. मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है येलो, रेड एंड ब्लू, बट यू कैन राइट अबाउट योर चॉइस. आप यहाँ पे पर्पल लिख सकते हैं, आप पिंक भी लिख सकते हैं, एंड यू कैन राइट अनदर. एंड द फोर्थ वन इज, my papa's car is dash red, but the seats are dash in color, but the seats are white in color. You can write here about the color of your papa's car. Okay, now move on exercise B. And the exercise B is, unscramble the following color words. What is mean by unscramble? Unscramble words are those which you haven't given in proper arrangement. So arrange all these words. The words you have already given. The first one is R E G E N. Is this correct word? No. And what is incorrect arrangement? What is this incorrect arrangement? Tell me. Yes, it's a green colored. And the spelling of green is GREEN, green. The next one is EHWTI. What is this? Yes, this color name is white. WHITE, white. And the third one is GRONAE. Is this correct color name? No. Then write here correct one. ORANGE, orange. And next one is WLELYO. What is this? Yes, yellow. YELLOW. And the last one is UPPLER. It's a wrong word, a wrong spelling. Write here correct one. PURPLE, purple. Okay, now we have completed this lesson. Extended exercise is your homework. Do extended exercise on your notebook, and exercise A and exercise B do on your notebook as well. Now we have completed this lesson. Hope so you have enjoyed this lesson. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.